Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use Snagit. Snagit allows you to take screenshots and also record your PC screen. Snagit also comes with a powerful editor that you can use to edit or annotate your screenshots. So to get Snagit on your computer, you're going to head over to their official website. I have the link in the description of this video. So when you are on the website, to get Snagit, you can go ahead and hit on this buy now button to purchase a license, which costs about $62. But if you are not sure if Snagit will be helpful to you, you can go ahead and sign up for their 15 days free trial by hitting on this button right here. So after installing the application on your computer, this is what you are going to see. This is the Snagit tool that you can use to take screenshots and also record your PC screen. So on the left hand side of your screen, you have three buttons. You have the all-in-one button, which you can use to take both screenshots and record your PC screen. While with the image button, you can only take screenshots of your screen. And with the video button, you can only record your PC screen. You can make selection right here. You can even choose how you want to share your capture. Down here, you can toggle off and on your webcam. You can do almost the same thing right here under the image button. So once you are done with all these modifications, you can go down here to save a preset of it in case you want to use it later in the future. So for now, I'm going to stick with the all-in-one button. So right now I have my all-in-one button selected and all the settings look good. So to start my capturing, I can go ahead and hit on this capture button, or I can use the keyboard shortcut print screen to start my capturing. So right now I can select the area where I want to take my screen capture. So let's say for instance, I want to take a screen capture of a particular region of this website. So let's say I want to take a screen capture or I want to take a screenshot of this write-up right here. I can simply click and drag a rectangle around it. So immediately I do that, this toolbox appears. So right here I can choose whether I want to take a screenshot or I want to start a recording of that selected area. So right here, as you can see, I have my mouse on my open browser window and I have only the website selected. So what if I want the browser window to be added to the selection? What I can do is to hold my mouse up to the browser window and you see to be added to the area that I want to take a capture of. So down here I have these arrows. So now what these arrows do is that they take a scrolling screenshot of your screen. So obviously I'm in a browser and the entire browser can't fit on my screen, but I want a screenshot of it. So to take a screenshot of it, I can use any of these arrows right here to take a screenshot of it, and the screenshot will be taken in the direction which I select. So now I want a top to bottom screenshot of this browser. So I'm going to hit on this arrow button right here. So that's it. So right now I have a screenshot of my entire website. So now I want to take a screenshot of this website. So I can simply click on it. And once again, I can select whether I want to take a screenshot or I want to start a recording. So I'm going to hit on the screenshot button. So right now I have my screenshot open in my editor. So right here on the editor, you have different tools at the top right here you can work with. So when you hit on the show recent button right here at the bottom, you get to see all the recent captures you have taken. You can also hit on the library button right here, and down here you're able to see all the recent captures you have taken in different categories. So right here you have the image category, you have the video category. You can also view them by year. Within the year, you can view them by months. You can view by application, you can view by websites, and you can view by tags. So I'm going to close out of this right now. So one cool feature about Snagit is that your library is synced between different cloud providers. So if you have Snagit on a different computer or a different device, you'll be able to access your library on that device. So one thing I love about Snagit is that you can use Snagit to create a picture flow. So to do that, I'm going to head over to the create button right here. Click on image from templates. So right here, you have a bunch of different templates you can choose from. So I'm going to go with the very basic one. I'm going to go with the first one right here. And then I'm going to hit on the create button. So right here, I have my flow. So at the top right here, I can add a title. So let's say subscribe. And then in this space, I can add my image. So to add an image, you can simply drag the image into the page. So after dragging my image, I can also add a description down here. So let's say I want to add something like Snagit's official website. So down here again, I can add another picture and also add a description down below. So now I have exhausted the space on this page where I can add pictures and description, but I want to add one more picture and description. So to do that, I can simply hit on this plus button right here. So right here, I can add one more flow. So if you find this video helpful so far, please do well to give this video a like. And also do well to support my channel by hitting on that subscribe button. And also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So right now I have my flow created. I have different tools right here that I can use to annotate my flow. So right here, I can add arrows, I can add text, I can add callouts, I can add shapes. I can also add stamps and fields. So right here within the more buttons, you have more tools right here. You can add a blob, you can make a selection, you can crop, you can cut, you can highlight, you can erase, you can magnify. So there are a bunch of tools right here you can use to annotate your screenshots. So when you are done with all your editing and you want to save your work, you can go up to the top right corner of your screen. There you have the copy button or the copy all button. When you hit on the copy all button, it is going to copy your job into your clipboard, or you can go ahead and hit on this share button. So when you hit on the share button, right here you can share your job, any of the different services you want right here, or you can go ahead and hit on this file button. So when you hit on this file button, you get this Windows Save As dialog. So right here you get to choose a location and also give it a name. So down here you can choose a file type, and then you go ahead and hit on the save button. So that's it for taking screenshots using Snagit. What if I want to take a screen record? So to record your screen using Snagit, so after selecting your region or your area you want to record, you can simply click on it. Once again, you get this toolbox. So right now I'm going to click on the record a video button to start my recording. So when you click on the button, you get a new set of tools. So right here, you can start a recording by hitting on this button. You can toggle off and on your webcam right here. You can mute your audio recording. You can also mute your mic right here. So I'm going to hit on this button right here to start my recording. So right now I have my recording on the way. To stop my recording, I can simply hit on this stop recording button right here. So now I have my recording open on my Snagit editor. So right here I can do a very basic video editing. I can cut out any parts of the clip that I want. So once I have it selected using these tools, I can hit on this cut button right here. So after cutting, down here I can save it as a GIF or as a PNG. So that is it for this video, guys. That's how to record your screen and also take screenshots using Snagit. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.